If you're thinking of investing in a major building project, you need to speak to the experts. Well, S&A tell me that they're the experts in fabricated steel frame buildings, and I'm here to find out why. Name an animal and S&A can build a home for it. Pigs, poultry, beef, sheep, dairy, horses too. This is a traditional S&A 9-bay building, and as you can see, these cattle are really happy here. But you don't have to just have your animals in straight lines, you can also have them in a roundhouse. And it isn't just livestock, you can keep anything in an S&A shed. S&A also specialise in potato stores and grain stores, and let me tell you, you can fit an awful lot of this in one of these. S&A have designed thousands of buildings for agricultural and industrial use, and designed steelworks for warehouses, factories, offices and car showrooms. S&A manufacture all their buildings here on site in the workshop. That means a really high standard of quality control and a bespoke service from local craftsmen. So what is the S&A difference? Chris Stoddart, General Manager at S&A Fabrications, explains.
At S&A we deliver a quality product, and quality is measured against what the opposition have to offer. We believe that the finish of building that we provide is superior to the opposition by and large. We're not the cheapest, but we perceive that we are a market leader in giving customers what they want. The experience that they get from us from start to finish generally is very good, and it's backed up by the number of repeat customers that we have.
So you say S&A isn't always the cheapest. Why is that?
That's right. We put more into our buildings than a lot of our competitors do. We've got control from start to finish of our operation. We detail in-house, we manufacture in-house, we paint following shock blasting procedures, and the product that we send out looks better for a lot longer than our competitors, and it cuts down on maintenance costs. We put substantially more material into our buildings, and we feel that this gives us a better product for longer.
So S&A is used to operating locally, but I understand you're also now operating on a national level.
Yes, we have for many years since our inception operated predominantly in about a 30-40 mile radius of Barnard Castle, but now we're supplying buildings as far south as Cornwall, as far north as Crieff, into Scotland, and we have broadened our scope of activity. Recently we've just completed a project in Shepton Mallet, and we were very lucky to get the first building. Farmer was so pleased he came back, and we've just erected 2 other buildings on exactly the same site.
This isn't, however, just a manufacturing facility. In these offices, S&A design your building complying with the very latest Euro codes, do your planning application and put together the very latest information on renewable energy so you can get the best in energy efficiency. Investing in an S&A building couldn't be easier. The team will give you a competitive quote and a customer care package from planning to completion and beyond. And of course, S&A have a full on-site construction service which is undertaken by their very own experienced site teams, all complying with RIBDA guidelines and offering you the security of complete health and safety compliance and guaranteed quality. And you can get everything you need for your building from S&A's merchants in Barnard Castle and Crook. From work boots to wheelbarrows, planks to power tools, it's all here. So why should you choose S&A for your next project? With more than 30 years experience, they offer Innovative design, bespoke manufacture, quality materials and first-class customer service. S&A Fabrications, giving you confidence in your construction.
My name is Simon Hall. I'm a partner in the family farming business of Foster Hall and Sons. We farm in northwest Durham. We're currently at the height of about 850 feet above sea level here, and our land rises up to 1400 feet above sea level.
Tell me about what S&A have done for you.
S&A have put us up 2 cattle sheds, 9 bays each, 55 feet wide to house our suckler cows. They were previously outwintered, and with the conditions, the weather conditions and the rules and regulations from DEFRA, with the cross compliance from the single farm payment and what have you, we had to do something about it. And in 2009, S&A, we got together with S&A and we built these 2 sheds. We've used them for 1 winter and they've had some tremendous advantages to us. We can check the cattle 24 hours a day, whereas before, when it was dark outside, you didn't check them from 4 o'clock in the afternoon in the winter months till 8 o'clock the following morning. We certainly had less losses of calving with them being inside, which has been a great, tremendous advantage to us.
And how did you find S&A putting up the shed for you? How was the service?
S&A was excellent from the word go, from start to finish. When we first discussed it with S&A, we suggested to them that they did everything, and that when they were finished and wanted water in the troughs at the back of the cattle sheds. And that's what we got. When S&A was finished, there was water in the troughs. All I had to do was open the gates, put the straw in the pens and put the cattle in. It was excellent. The quality of the workmanship and the standard of the workmanship was excellent right throughout the whole project.
My name's Jonathan Johnson and we farm on the outskirts of Crook. We farm approximately 700 head of sheep and approximately 300 head of cattle. We've recently just got this shed put up here. It's been put up in the last year. We've always used S&A. We've got 4 sheds up here, but this specific shed, it's ideal for lambing. As you can see, it's spacious, concrete floors in, it's perfect for lambing. My father's used S&A for years. We've always kept with S&A because the service is superb. This is just one of the sheds we've got with S&A. The others are of an equally high standard, and we hope to continue to use S&A in years to come.